The 2014 ELR. The Cadillac ELR is a luxury coupe hybrid that is sure to turn heads. The sleek exterior design is matched only by the upscale interior quality. In addition to the beautiful interior and exterior features, it also provides you with the efficiency you'd expect from a hybrid vehicle and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, navigation system, OnStar, backup camera, keyless entry, traction control, heated seats, stability control, dual airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.